Hey YouTube, this is another package I got from eBay. Right there it says. I know what it is, but you guys don't. So this will be another fun thing. Yeah, just tear it. Hope it shoot well, because it's something that doesn't always fit so well. I'm opening it right now. This is a what it is production. What it is huge. What in the world? Left the penny in there. That's weird. Cool. Sweet. These are like the stickers to put on your car. Cool. That's sweet. So what you basically do is just peel these off and you stick them on your car. That'll be cool. You put them with an AJ Allmendinger Hunt Brothers pizza car. So yeah, that's that. This has been a What It Is Productions. Hope you have lots of pennies. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.